All right, go ahead and set yourself up. You could stay seated on a couch, but put something behind you, or if you want to sit down on the floor, kneeling. Take a moment to create yourself in a powerful, comfortable seat. And if you want to close your eyes, you're welcome to close your eyes, or you can look to one spot on the floor in front of you or the surface in front of you. And let the weight of the world, the weight of your to-do list, the weight of life begin to soften, to settle. Let your breath flow naturally for a moment. Just notice the rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. And if it feels like the right time, you can take an on purpose slow inhale and an intentional slow exhale. Let yourself soften. Take a few more grounding breaths on your own timing, letting each breath bring you closer to the present moment, the here and the now. And bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Imagine a warm golden light glowing in the center of your chest. Imagine it radiating love, compassion, and safety. Let this be a space for you to feel at center and at peace. I invite you to visualize a picture of yourself when you were little. A younger version of yourself, doesn't matter what age, just whatever age comes to mind. Imagine a picture of yourself when you were a kid. And you notice the expression or the energy or the posture of little you. You bring into your awareness how they are feeling right now. How's little you feeling right now? And there's no need to fix it or change it, but simply observe and hold space for little you. You can say this out loud or in your head. You can say to little you, I see you. I'm here for you. I love you. You are safe with me. And as you sit with your inner child, your little you, notice if they're holding on to any beliefs about themselves or any beliefs about the world. My little self often believes that she's not good enough, or that she's not safe, or that she's not worthy of love. Just whatever arises, you gently acknowledge it without judgment. Just say, I hear you. It makes sense that you feel that way. And see that you're doing your very best to protect yourself. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or heaviness that arises with the beliefs that your little self is holding on to. And create space for love and understanding to flow in. Take another on purpose breath in. Breathe out as your wise adult self, your higher self, the most loving and kind version of you. You can say to them, your inner child, some words of reassurance, like you are enough, just as you are. You are safe. You are deeply loved. You are free to grow, to explore, to let go of whatever no longer serves you. Bringing your awareness back to the golden light in the center of your chest. Imagine that golden light expanding, wrapping your inner child in warmth and comfort, like a warm hug. Let them know they don't have to hold on to the limiting beliefs anymore. They're free to hand them over to you. You have the strength to carry them, to transform them, and to release them. And as your inner child feels this love and safety, imagine them standing a little taller, a little brighter, more at peace. And you see them smile or feel their energy begin to lighten up. Maybe you thank them for showing up for you today and every day, for trusting you to hold the space for them. And as you take a breath in, you can say to yourself, I am whole. I hold space for all parts of me with love and compassion. Gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Notice the support of the surface beneath you. If it would feel good, you can place one hand on your heart and the other hand on your belly, anchoring in the feeling of compassion and connection. And take one final breath together, filling your body with golden light. And as you exhale, release anything that's no longer serving you. And when you're ready, open your eyes gently, bringing this feeling of love and strength and connection into the rest of this day.